Hello students, how are you? You all are fine? Okay, thank you. Welcome to Isubidya. So students, already we have read something about the story Bambo Curry. Today we will learn theme discussion, know the preposition, matching and comprehension question answers. So students, the theme of the story is what? You want to know? So the theme of the story is the foolish son-in-law could not understand how the bamboo curry had made. So he took the bamboo door for preparing bamboo curry, which was totally wrong. So students, your concept should be always clear. So students, now we will discuss question answers. Question 1. Fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. Prepositions are used to describe place, location and timings. So let's do. Question 1. Fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. The son-in-law was about to leave his home. What will be the answer? It will be far. Now in 2i, he carried home the bamboo door his in-laws house. Of his in-laws house. The answer is of. Now in 3i, the curry is made bamboo. The curry is made from bamboo. It is from. Now in IB, she pointed the bamboo door. What will be the answer? She pointed at the bamboo door. It is from your text. At. Now in B, he asked his wife prepare bamboo curry. He asked his wife to prepare bamboo curry. So students, note it. Question number 1. Now question number 2. Match A and B with their meanings. Foolish. What is the meaning of foolish? It is unwise. We have to match it. Now delicious. What is the meaning of delicious? Tasty. Now dishes. What is the meaning of dishes? It is food items. You know? Now suit. What is the meaning of suit? It is young plant of bamboo. We have to match it. Now extremely. What is the meaning of extremely? It is very. So students, note it. Now question number 3. Question number 3. Answer the following questions. Now in A, who went to his father-in-law's house? What will be the answer? A police son-in-law went to his father in law's house. You can write also, a Santal police son-in-law went to his father-in-law's house. Or went to his father-in-law's house. So students, note it. Now in B, the question is, what curry did his mother-in-law cook? His mother-in-law cooked bamboo curry. Note it, students. Now in C, did the son-in-law like the curry? What will be the answer? Yes. Yes. The son-in-law like the curry. So students, today your homework is remember the comprehension question answers. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.